Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit and organize your boards on Pinterest. So I'm just going to go to my profile here, and I am going to go to the aesthetic one, for instance, and I'm going to select this like pencil icon. Here you can select the board cover of your board. I like this one, so I'm just going to do that. Press done. I'm going to still name it aesthetic, for instance. You can also type in a description, and I'm just going to press done here. I'm going to then select the board, and to organize it, select organize, and you can move around your pins like this. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!